So now let's change legs again, and now we're going to do an exercise called the three-way hip stretch. So both legs are long. Right leg is in your circle, holding on with both hands to start. Try to draw your tailbone down towards the floor. Nice long legs if you can. If you need to soften your knee, that's okay. Just find that nice stretch through the hamstring. So this stretches out the hamstrings to start. And then you're going to keep holding onto the circle with your right hand. So right leg, right hand. The other arm is going to go out to the side, and you're going to open out your right leg to the side. As you do so, keep your tailbone down and keep this opposite leg anchored into the floor. So now we're stretching out the adductors, the inner thigh muscles. The legs, they are the muscles that help us to draw our legs together. So that stretch. Good, and let's lift the leg back up to the top. Now you're going to take hold of the circle in the opposite hand. I'm going to take my right arm out to the side, and I'm just going to pull my right leg across the midline of my body towards my opposite shoulder. Try to still keep your tailbone down on the floor and feel that wonderful stretch along the outside of your leg. You might even feel a stretch in your calf muscle too. It depends upon what's tightest on you. Relax your shoulders. And then from here, we'll go into a nice spinal twist. So I'll lower my leg towards the floor. I look in the opposite direction. So that's a nice stretch for the back, as well as the hip, too. Good, and let's go back to the beginning again, and let's change legs. Okay. So let's just enjoy this simple hamstring stretch. Relax your shoulders, elbows are soft. Reach through your heels. Hold on to the circle with the same arm as a leg. Open out to the side. Try to keep your tailbone anchored on the floor. Keep reaching long and anchoring this opposite leg into the floor. Stretching out your adductors. And let's lift the leg up to the top again. Change hands. One arm goes out to the side. And now we draw the leg across the midline of the body towards your opposite shoulder. Now keep your tailbone down for that nice stretch of the outer leg. And then now let's open the leg out to the side all the way. Look over the shoulder, get this nice stretch here. Good, and coming back to the top. And bend the knee. All right, so now let's move on to the 100 exercise. So I'm going to place my circle between my knees. And for the 100, you can either keep your feet down on the floor, you can go to tabletop like this, or you can lengthen your legs up to the top and place your circle between your ankles if you want more of a challenge. I'm going to go for tabletop with the legs in a circle between my knees to start. So here I am in my tabletop position. My arms are going to reach up to the sky. I take a deep breath here. And as I exhale, I'm going to draw my navel in. I'm going to squeeze my circle. I'm going to nod my chin to the chest as I reach my arms forward and down towards the mat. And then I pump my arms vigorously up and down as I inhale for 5 counts. And I exhale out through my mouth for 5 counts. Nice percussive breath. Inhale. And exhale out. 3. And exhale out. 4. And exhale out. 5. And exhale out. So keep pumping your arms vigorously. Allow your collarbones to be wide. Tips of your shoulder blades anchored into the floor, or you could even lift them slightly off. But really pumping the arms front and the back. Try not to overwork the pectorals. 2 more. Last one. And exhale out. Beautiful. Lower your head down. Look to your right. Look to your left. Feel the weight of your head in the mat. Okay. Let's move on to the roll up. So you're going to lengthen your legs long. Let's bring the heels together, toes apart, and go ahead and lengthen through the arches and reach through your toes. Squeeze your legs together. Hold on to the circle and the heel of your hands. Shoulder blades down. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, reach your arms back. As you reach your arms back, don't shrug your shoulders. Pull your shoulders down and anchor your front ribs into your back ribs down onto the mat. Now inhale as you lift the arms, reach them forward. Exhale, nod your chin to your chest and roll up. And round your spine forward as if you're ducking underneath a low ceiling. Now pull your abdominals back and pull your shoulders down your back. Now inhale as you start to roll back. Exhale as you slowly roll down. Now if you want to modify this, you can always bend your knees, soles of the feet on the floor. Inhale. Exhale, reach forward. Keep your feet down as you round. All right, there we go. Inhale as you roll back. Exhale as you roll down. So that's a modification for you if you like. Inhale, lift. Exhale, peel your spine away from the mat. Give that circle a little extra squeeze as you roll up and round forward. Inhale and exhale as you roll down. Let's do this twice more. Last time.